Hi, in this screencast we're going to look at how to actually deploy our social wall app from the Cloud9 IDE to Heroku, where we will actually have a functioning application on the internet. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is head to Heroku and create a new account. Let's check the confirmation. Here we are. Okay, so now once we've confirmed, we can enter in our password. Okay, perfect. Now, to create a new Heroku app and connect it to our social wall app, literally, we can head into our IDE. Let's open up a terminal. We can literally create our new Heroku application in the Cloud9 IDE by typing Heroku create. Cloud9 IDE already has Heroku command line tools installed, which is very useful. You'll be prompted for the credentials that you just created your Heroku account with. So notice I just typed in my password, but you didn't see anything on the screen, and there was no indication of anything being typed in. So this is a normal Unix behavior when typing in passwords. Go ahead and type in your password. Be very careful about typing it in, and assume that your information has been properly entered. If for some reason you push enter and you get an error or something from Heroku, it's because you didn't type in your information and credentials correctly. So just keep trying it again. So literally, we have successfully created a Heroku application, hidden-cave-4460.herokuapp.com. Now we actually need to push our code to Heroku, so we can type git push Heroku master. And if for some reason you get a question that says something RSA host key not accepted, do you want to accept this host? Just type yes. That's all good. And you'll notice that we're getting this automated output. This is literally the Heroku deploy process. So something that is very important, we have just deployed our code to Heroku. We now actually need to turn on the Heroku Postgres service, which will give our application a database. And we can literally turn that on by typing Heroku add-ons :add Heroku-PostgreSQL hobby dev. Hobby dev is the level of the service plan that we want. It's the free plan. So we're all good. And we can verify that we're all good by typing Heroku config. And we'll see that we have a database URL, which is what we want. And we can type Heroku domains, which will show us the domain of our application. So let's copy this domain and let's literally paste that into a browser tab. And here we are with our application. And I could do something like, hey, this is John posting to the social wall. I'm sure I'd get thousands of followers. And there we have it. So that is a quick look at how to deploy CodeUnion's social wall application from the Cloud9 IDE to Heroku. If you find yourself following this screencast and you get stuck or you have questions, go ahead and email us stuck@codeunion.io and we will help you get unstuck. Happy coding.